Good morning, children. This is 5th standard English class. In our previous class, we have seen the biography of Malala Yousafzai. We have seen the biography of Malala Yousafzai. And today also we are going to see the biography of Charles Lindbergh. He is Charles Lindbergh, children. He is Charles Lindbergh and he is a pilot. He drives planes. Okay. And our title is Lindbergh's Flying Spirit. Lindbergh's Flying Spirit. And who is the author of this? Mary Silva Turner. Mary Silva Turner. Okay. First, I am going to show you the pictures. See, can you see the picture? These are the few real pictures which they have given in the reader. If you Google it, if you see in the internet, you can get more information about Charles Lindbergh. Okay. Today I am going to explain the first page of the lesson. Okay. And we are going to decode the unfamiliar words and get the meanings of that unfamiliar words. Unfamiliar words means new words. And we are going to search for the clues in the lesson only. Okay. Context clues. Context clues means which gives the hints that help us to understand the meaning of unfamiliar words, children. So check the reader. Soft-spoken and courageous Charles Lindbergh was only 25 when he took the first flight across the Atlantic Ocean in 1927. Most people thought of him as a flying fool for his plan to fly solo, but Lindbergh was confident. See here, in 1927, he crossed Atlantic Ocean, and at that time his age was 25. And always, whenever he used to fly, he used to go alone. Solo means alone. Okay. Why he used to go alone? He was confident he can go and he always likes to fly alone. Okay. He had flown many hours in all kinds of weather. See, there are few words here only in this first paragraph only, that like solo. You don't know the meaning of solo. Do you know the meaning of solo? No, you don't know. But when you read the content, you will know the meaning of solo. Most people thought of him as a flying fool for his plan to fly solo because he flies alone. Okay, this is the clue over here. See, he had flown many hours in all kinds of weather. Flown means what? Flown means he flied the plane. He had been to flight school and been a US flight lieutenant, Army Air Service officer. See, which school did he go? He went for flight school for training. Okay. And what he had become? He had become an US flight lieutenant. Don't forget, children, this F for flight, T for lieutenant, Army Air Service officer. Okay. His determination, control, and good focus helped him to survive daring stunts and even crashes. Now, his determination means what? The way he learned and what he want to achieve. Yes, and how to control the plane or flight. And the focus while flying in the air, his focus also helped him to survive daring stunts. What do you mean by daring? Brave, to do the stunts. I think you know the meaning of stunts, right? To do any daring stunts, any brave stunts, and even crashes. Which helped him to, for all this? His determination, control, and good focus helped him to survive. Okay. See, can you see his Charles Lindbergh with the Spirit of St. Louis, his flight. He only discovered this. We are going to see in this lesson. Lindbergh was also a skilled airplane mechanic. See, he was an airplane mechanic also. He had studied mechanical engineering in college. This helped him to design everything in his own plane. The Spirit of St. Louis. See, this is the Spirit of St. Louis, and Charles Lindbergh he is. This is his own plane because he had done mechanical engineering. That education helped him to make his own plane, and he named his plane as Spirit of St. Louis. The Spirit of St. Louis was light and powerful. Lindbergh had fitted. Lindbergh had fitted it with a modern engine and two kinds of compasses for his trip across the Atlantic Ocean. Now see, his flight, that is his Spirit of St. Louis, was very light and it was very powerful. Okay, why it is light and powerful? Because he had done mechanical engineering and he had designed his own plane, right? And in that, what modern engine he had fitted, children? Modern engine for with two kinds of compasses for his trip across the Atlantic Ocean. What is compass? Compass is an instrument. Compass is an instrument to find the directions. You know compass, right? North, west, east, south. It will show the directions. That is called the compass. So two different kinds of compasses he had fixed in his St. Louis for his trip across the Atlantic Ocean. Now see here. Lindbergh faced many dangers during his flight. He battled storms and tiredness. Moreover, he relied on only a compass and some maps to navigate. The lack of navigation and safety equipment made it even more important for him to plan every detail of his trip. Now see here. Lindbergh faced many dangers during his flight. Means what? What do you mean by this sentence, children? He faced many problems while he was flying in the plane. He battled storms and tiredness. What do you mean by storms? What do you mean by storms? Do you know storms? When the heavy wind blows, that is called storm. There will be disturbance in the atmosphere. The weather will be disturbed. That is called storm. And tiredness. Tiredness means feeling weak. Moreover, he relied on only a compass and some maps to navigate. Compass means I have told you, which helps you to find the directions. And navigate means what? Navigation. Nowadays you see navigation in each and every mobile phone, right? Ola autos, Uber autos, or cabs. Navigation they'll keep. This navigation is used to find the way. The lack of navigation means there was no proper navigation to show the directions or the way. And any safety equipment means what? The tools which are used made it even more important for him to plan every detail of his trip. So these are the two main things: the tools and the navigation, the compass. These are the main important things he will check for before plan. Every detail he will go into and check before he goes into his trip. After 28 hours of sleepless travel, he finally made it. To everyone's joy and amazement, he had survived the trip. Now see, what did he do? 28 hours he was continuously traveling with the help of navigation and the compass, the equipments which all he used. After traveling for 28 sleepless days and nights, what did he do? He finally made it. What did he made? St. Louis. to everyone's joy and amazement. Everyone's joy and amazement means, joy means, feeling happy, right? And amazement means surprise. He had survived the trip. So 28 hours he was continuously, he was on his trip. Lindbergh's success made many people believe that air navigation was simply a matter of determination. As a result, at least 15 people died trying to cross the ocean in the next few years. Poor navigation technology played a role in many of these accidents. See, he is the first successful person. Lindbergh was the first successful person to travel the ocean, to cross the ocean. So many people believe that air navigation was simply a matter of determination. Means the courage. He was having that what will to cross the ocean, right? And at least 15 people died trying to cross the ocean in the next few years. See, he crossed, and after 15 years, after few years, what happened, nearly 15 people died. They were also trying to cross the ocean with the help of navigation or compass, and they were not having proper navigation, and the technology was not proper in their flights, so they couldn't able to cross the ocean, and that is the result why they have died. Poor navigation technology played a role in many of these accidents. So because there was no proper navigation, for no new technology and no proper navigation, because of that 15 people died with the accident. See here, can you see this picture? Earth inductor compass, modern technology during Lindbergh's time. Near Lindbergh's time, this was the compass. Next, Paul Redfern, one of the many people who died trying to fly over the sea. This person also died during he was while he was trying to cross the sea. Okay, so today I have completed till here, right? And we have seen the context clues also. Context clues means what? Context clues are hints that help us understand meaning of unfamiliar words. There were many unfamiliar words in this page for you, right? By reading the context, you understood the meaning of that word. Hope you understood this page, children, and you have understood what are context clues. Right? Now open your workbook, children. Yes, open your workbook, children. That is block number 20, S1. Write the date as 4/1/2021. 4/1/2021. S1, using context clues. Using context clues. See the first question. Fill in the table with meanings of words from Lindbergh's Flying Spirit. Fill in the table. Here they have given the table. You are going to fill it by writing the meaning of the word and where in the lesson, where did they use the context clue? Where did we get the clue? Okay. See here, first word they have given, that is daring. You are going to write the meaning of daring. What did we discuss? Brave. B-R-A-V-E, brave. Now, context clue, what we have used. If you see a reader, his determination, control and good focus helped him to survive daring stunts and even crashes. Now this sentence we are going to do little changes and make it into a little short. Okay. See here, children, I wrote 4 clues. I wrote only 4 clues. The remaining 3 clues you are going to write. You are going to see how did I write this, and you are going to complete these 3. Okay. And I wrote a little bit small So you have to adjust and understand. The word daring meaning is brave. See here in sentence, his determination and control and good focus helped him to survive daring stunts and even crashes. The underlined words, what are the underlined words? Determination, control, and good focus tells us that it was a difficult thing to do. Once again, I am reading, just check children. In sentence, his determination and control and good focus helped him to survive daring stunts and even crashes. The underlined words tells us that it was a difficult thing to do. See the second word children, that is skilled. What is the meaning of skilled? Trained. Trained, or you can say as good. Trained or good. He had done his engineering and designed a very light and powerful plane. If you see a reader, you can find this sentences. Clues. See the third word, mechanic. A person who builds something. Mechanic means a person who builds something. He was an engineer and was designing his own plane. He was an engineer and was designing his own plane. Coming to the word compass. The meaning of compass is a tool used for finding direction. A tool used for finding direction. See the clue over here. Photo of the compass and the sentence. Moreover, he relied on only a compass and some maps to navigate. And here I have underlined the word navigate. And what does this maps indicate? Directions that need to be found. Once again I am reading, just check children. Photo of the compass and the sentence. Moreover, he relied on only a compass and some maps to navigate. Maps indicate directions that need to be found. These four I have done for you and the remaining three you are going to do. And I have given the meanings, just check. Navigate means find a way. Equipment, device or materials. Survived. Survived means he was alive. Now based on these meanings, these words, you are going to find the context clues. Now see the second question. Circle the correct meaning of the underlined word using context clues. Here they have given the sentence and one word they have underlined which is unfamiliar to you. That means this is a new word for you. After reading the sentence, you are going to get the meaning. You are going to choose the correct meaning. A bit. The old woman could not do any work because she had become very frail. The old woman could not do any work because she had become very frail. Now what is the meaning of frail? He had underlined frail, right? Happy, healthy, weak, strong. What did you understand by the sentence? Old woman, she couldn't do any work because she was weak. She has become weak. So you are going to circle the meaning over here. Same like that, you are going to do the B bit and C bit. Once I read the sentences for you, just check. It was getting very difficult to breathe as they neared the apex of the mountains. Apex means what? You have to choose the correct one. The wild lion intimidated all the zookeepers with his loud roars. They were afraid to enter his cage. Intimidated meaning, what is the meaning of intimidated now? The wild lion intimidated all the zookeepers. So choose the correct word and circle the word. Okay. Now see the third question. Write a sentence using any three new words from this worksheet. Now with the help of this full worksheet, we are going to see three new words and write a sentence. See here children, in this page I took the words of frail, intimidated and daring. The frail goat got intimidated by seeing the daring stance of the leopard. The frail means weak. The weak goat got intimidated means scared by seeing the daring stance of the leopard. So complete your homework, children. Complete your workbook and don't forget to write keywords, meanings, make sentences in classwork. By this, I'll end the session. Meet you in the next class with the topic using a dictionary. Okay, thank you.